Hi. So today I learned one thing that the biggest skill you can develop is the ability to reset your life fast. Like bad day, start fresh tomorrow. Missed workout, hit it the next day. Poor decision, learn and adjust because you can't control everything that happens to you, but you can control. You just let it be that what affects you more, right? And trust me, nothing is scarier than avoiding your full potential because you know that scrolling, or I can say doom scrolling, it doesn't make us realize that time is flowing or time is, you know, passing so rapidly. Study time, by the way, it's a tea time. So this is day 4 of my 90 days English speaking challenge. So we had 24 hours. So let's make it best. So today we discuss so many topics like common mistakes, tenses, and common confusions. So let's come practice. So first of all, let's practice tenses in very short and simple. If you want full video, you can check it out my simple diary handwritten notes playlist. So tenses, present simple routine, facts. So structure, subject plus base verb. So example, I practice every day. This is a simple like tahati hai, okay, in Hindi. So I practice every day. She speaks English like as he is. Now present continuous happening now matlab means which is happening right on the spot, like it's currently going on like this. So structure am is are, verb plus ing. Examples, I'm practicing now, they are learning. So it's happening now. Now present perfect, result and experience. So for result and experience, like structure have, has plus we third. Examples, I am finished my practice. She has learned a lot. So this is result and experience. Present perfect continuous duration. Structure has, have been plus verb plus ing. Examples, I have been practicing for 2 hours. So ing. Present perfect continuous. If you practice more and more, then you get more clarity because at first reading anything can't be understandable. That's why practice makes man perfect. Now past tenses. Past simple, I studied yesterday. Past continuous structure, was were plus ing. Example, I was studying at 8 p.m. Past perfect structure, had plus we third. Example, I had finished before dinner. Past perfect continuous, had been plus time. Example, I had been studying for 2 hours before the exam. Future structures, will, instant decision. So I will start now. At first it didn't understandable, but if you practice it, you get more clarity. So let's fix some common confusions as well. Common confusions like used to versus be used to. So how we use it. So I used to speak Hindi. Past habit for telling past habit that I used to speak Hindi. I'm used to English. Comfortable now means आदी होना in Hindi for Hindi learners. So I'm used to English. I like this मैं हिंदी में English बोलने का आदी हूँ. Like habitual, comfortable now. And now just already yet. So I have just finished. I have already eaten. I haven't finished yet. And now some pronunciation practice. So ed ending. So worked. So it's worked. Like t ending. Worked. Played. D ending. Played. Wanted. So id. So wanted. Worked. Played. Wanted. Now natural speaking. Use contractions. Okay. I'm. I have. I've. Going to. Gonna. Want to. Wanna. Now let's fix some common confusions. I mean, this is a common confusion. Now let's quick fix the common mistakes. So this is the last topic of day 4. Common mistakes according to me. No, instead say because it's not natural in English. So instead you can say I think, in my opinion, in my view. Example, I think this is a good idea. Make a party? No, this sounds okay, but it's wrong. Correct phrases: have a party, throw a party. Example, we are going to have a party tonight. Party tonight, like this. I am agree? No, agree is a verb, not an adjective. So I agree. Do you agree? Going to home? No. Going home. I am going home now. One of the best place? No. One of the best places. After one of the, always use plural. Like we used to say momos, but it's a momo. Momo, not momos. The quick grammar fixes I'm bored, feeling. This is boring. Thing. Discuss about no. Discuss something. I want to discuss the topic. More better? No. Only better. Better. Like this better. This is better. I'm agree with you. I agree with you. I didn't went. I didn't go. So I didn't went. No, I didn't go because didn't and second verb no. It's only first. So I didn't went. I didn't go. I didn't go yesterday. Explain me. No, explain to me. Please explain to me. Now bear for animal like bhalu. Bear means uncoverable. Uncovered like bear. Sehna types. Whole, complete. Whole, empty space. So this is day 4 of my practicing English for 90 days. Today I didn't learn something new much, but I improved something old, and that's matter. So now it's your turn. Comment. I will fix my mistakes daily, and write one correct sentence. And yeah, type day 10 if you are consistent. See you in day 4. Same journey, better English. Bye.